Hi, welcome to this video series where we'll learn EtherJs by creating a dApp for selling company shares. My name is Ayuba Ojanuwamoazu and I'm a software and a blockchain developer from Nigeria in Africa. And if you have been visiting the education ecosystem, you would have watched a whole lot of my video tutorials. But if this is your first time of coming to the education ecosystem, then welcome on board, where you view my video tutorials on blockchain, cryptocurrency, the Ethereum network, and the .NET programming. In this video series here, we're going to learn EtherJs, which is an alternative to Web3.js, by creating a dApp for selling company shares. And in this video series, we are going to create a dApp where a company will issue out stock, where users can purchase those stock by sending Ether to the company's address and getting the stock in return. And then the users can transfer that stock to another user, or they can sell the stock back to the company and get their Ether back. And then we're going to create a smart contract at the end of the day that will that the company can pay bills, from the smart contract, and then they can see the company's worth and the cash that has been returned. Of course, the cash is going to be in Ether. So we're going to interact with the smart contract via EtherJs rather than Web3.js. So the goal is to teach you EtherJs and see how you can use EtherJs to interact with smart contracts. In the first video, we created an escrow account where we connected to the escrow account via EtherJs, and the escrow account was created in Solidity. But here we're going to create our smart contract in the Viper programming language. This is just to show you that you can use either Solidity or the Viper programming language, and you can interact with both of them, any of them, through EtherJs. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Thank you.